Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome to this mathematics likely question and answer for this upcoming Waec examination. And if this is your first time visit my video or visit my channel, do wait to subscribe, like and hit the notification button in case we have any video like this. So this is the question I have for you today. This is the question you want to solve for this today class. So in case you missed our previous video and I wish to watch it, you can check in the description below. You'll see the link that will direct you to the previous video. So let's go to our today's business. Okay, this is the question I have for you today. Okay, this question states that the torque and the system of a GP are 1 over 4 and 1 over 32 respectively. Find the first time and the common difference. The second question, the seventh time. So what we just hear, the first thing to do, remember is to remember this topic. If you still remember, if you still understand that this mathematics very well, you can know that this question is speak for actually one topic in mathematics which is called GP. That is geometry or progression. So in this place now, you remember the geometry progression, we have the general formula. The general formula states that Tn, the last time is equal to, we have a raised power ar raised power n minus 1. So this is the general formula. Tn is equal to what? Ar raised power n minus 1. So in this place now, the question is that they give us as top time to what? 1 over 4 and our system to be 1 over 32. So what we just here now, let's look forward to get our top time. So to get our top time is equal to where our n is equal to 3, because this n is the number of time, and here we have our top time as well, our top time where our n is equal to 3. So when you apply to this general formula now, 3 is equal to ar raised power 3 minus 1. So where this one we're giving us ar raised power 3 minus 1 give us 2. And this our top time is equal to 1 over 4. So definitely this one is equal to 1 over 4. So let's call this one equation 1. So for this second time now, for this was sixth time now. This time is equal to 1 over 32. So here now, let's find for this sixth time now is equal to where our n is equal to 6, because n is the number of times, and here we're talking about 6 times. So in this place now, let's put to this formula. We have a t 6 is equal to, that's ar raised power 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 gives us 5. Here we have ar raised power 5. Let's call this one. Okay, and I said this one is equal to 1 over 32. So here is equal to 1 over 32. Let's call this one equation 2. So in order to get the first time and the common difference in this place, what we just do here is to divide equation 2 by equation 1. So when you're dividing equation 2 by equation 1, let's say the equation 1. So when you divide this equation 2 by equation 1, our equation 2 we have our equation 1. First of all, divide this equation 1. That's equation ar raised power 2 divided by this equation 2. We have ar raised power 5 equal to this one. We have a 1 over 4 divided by this one. We have a 1 over 32. So in this place, this one can easily change to multiplication. Why the second answer return to inverse of this second side. So in this place now, this a can cancel a here. We have our r to be 2. Let's take this one to the other side here. We have minus 5 is equal to 1 over 4 multiplied by when you change this sign. This division is multiplication. This one will be the inverse of this or the second side here. That will be 32 over 1. So in this way, 4 here, 4 here, we have 8. So that is 8 times 1, that's 8 divided by 1, let's give us 8. So let's subtract 5 from these 2. That will give us minus 3. So our r is equal to r is power minus 3 is equal to 8. Left with 8 here. So that's r is power minus 3 is equal to 8. And we want to look for the value of 8 in this place. So if you still remember in this very well, you can use it. If you still remember in this very well, you know that this one can be expressed as 1 over r is power 3. So in this place it's equal to 8. So what we just do here now, since this place is fraction, let's make this one also in fraction, divided by 1. So when you cross multiply. So when you cross multiply now, it will be 8 times r is power 3 times times r times 8. That gives us 8 r is power 3 is equal to 1 times 1 we get 1. So in this place, in order to make this out, it's a formula, and divide by the coefficient of out. And the coefficient of out is what? Is 8. So you divide by what? By 8. Divide by 8. So 8 comes 8. So therefore, our r raised to power 3 is equal to 1 over what? 8. And we are still looking for r, which is our common difference. So in order to cancel, in order to get this out now, you have to count the 3 here. So you need to what? To take the cube root of what? Of both sides to cancel what? This what? R raised to power 3 here. So take the cube root of both sides, the cube root of this. So this one we cancel what? This cube root here. We have our r is equal to, so cube root of 1. So let's split it like this. 3, 1, right, so divided by power 3, cube root of 8. So cube root of 1 is equal to what? 1. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So our r is equal to what? 1 over what? 2. So our common difference is equal to what? 1 over 2 now. So this is the answer for what? Common what? Difference. So now to find the what? Our first time now. So our first time means what? A. We want to look for A. So now we now come to this place now. For this, let's say for equation 1, equation 3. Sorry, equation 1. So let's say for equation 1, we have a r raised to power 2 is equal to 1 over 4. So here now we have our r to be what? 1 over 2. So when it substitute this one, this r is equal to 1 over 2 into this one, equation 1 here, into this r we see here. So they're going to be a, the bracket, we have 1 over 2, x raised to power 2 is equal to 1 over 4. So in this place now, when you open this bracket now, it means that 1 times 1, that's what? 1. This one is 2 times 2 is power 2. That is 2 times 2, that's make it what? 4. Here we have 8 is equal to what? 8 into bracket 1 over what? 4 is equal to what? 1 over 4. So in this place now, let's open this bracket. 8 times 1, I have 8 over what? 4 is equal to what? 1 over what? 4. So in this place now, since this way is in fraction, this way is fraction, now we're looking for a value of what? Of A. So what we just do now is to cross multiply. So when you multiply, this one multiply like this, we have what? A times 4, that's 4A is equal to, then put this line like this, 4 what? A. For this one multiply like this, that's equal to 4A is equal to 4 times 1 give us 4. So to get this A now, you divide both sides by the coefficient of A, and the coefficient of A here is what? Is 4 here. So you divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4, 4 times 4 here, we have our 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. Here we have our A is equal to what? 1. So these are what? These are first time. So the value of first time is equal to 1, where our r was the common difference is equal to what? 1 over what? Over 2. So that is solution for what? For question 1. I hope you understand this. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to what? Move to question 2. So now in order to get the what? This question 2, and the question says that to find what? The 7th term. So the 7th term is equal to T7 is equal to a raised to power 6. A raised to power 6. So you want to get what? This 7th term. So for this place now, since I get our A to be what? Our first term to be 1, and our R to be what? 1 over what? 2. That's R. So let's substitute it what? Into this our term, what? Our 7th term. So in this place now, this our 7th term now became our A. Since A is equal to 1, we have 1 multiplied by, we have our R to equal to what? That's 1 over 2, everything is power 6. So in this place, when you open this bracket now, it means that we have what? 1 raised to power 6 and 2 raised to power 6. So this one will be what? T. So it's equal to 1 times this, so it will give us this. That is about 1 over 2 raised to power 6. So 2 raised to power 6 is equal to what? 2 raised to, no, here our T7 now is equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 6 giving out 60 what? 4. If you use a calculator, 2 raised to power 6, that is 2 what? In 6 places, it's equal to what? 64. So here our 7th time is equal to what? 1 over what? 64. So this is the answer for the second question. So